People say billionaire lifestyle is different, but Anant proved that billionaire faith can be next level too. After the Switzerland yacht life, Anant Ambani stood in a London temple with Radhika and Mukesh Ambani for prayers. No paparazzi, no flashy suits, just folded hands and full faith. In the calm of Swami Narayan Mandir, the Ambani trio quietly stood and bowed before God. This wasn't a photo op, it was the spiritual side of their bond. Visiting a temple on their anniversary is a reminder when values run deep, success feels sacred too. Radhika is equally rooted, and their faith reflects in every gesture. The same Anant whose royalty goes viral, this time his devotion did.